Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add live speech favorite phrases for reuse on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down. And then in the speech section, tap on live speech. In here, tap on favorite phrases. And then tap on the add button at the top. Then tap on phrase. And then you can add in what you want to use. And then tap on saved. Okay, so tap on the add button again. Then tap on save again, so you can add in more favorite phrases if you like. You can also edit an existing phrase by tapping on the edit button there, and then from here you can delete and then add in a new one. And that's it. So now if you go and open up your live speech, then I can tap on phrases.
What are you doing today? Hello there. What are you doing today?
And that's it. So that is how you can add in favorite phrases to live speech for reuse on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.